Okay, 418, they want us to find the equation of the line that passes through those. So let's first find the slope. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The reason I'm finding the slope is because I want to write it in the form y equals mx plus b, right? So we'll find the slope first. So m equals 7 minus 1 over 9 minus negative 3, right? 9. So the slope equals 6 over 9 plus 3, which is 12. Slope equals 1/2. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it in here. So I know it's y equals 1/2 x plus b. But I don't know b, so what I can do is I can take one of these 2 points. I'll take the 9 and the 7. And we can substitute those values in for x and y, right? Because this is x, this is y, right? So we can substitute those in. So I get 7 equals 1/2. X is 9 plus b. So 7 equals 9/2 plus b. Subtract 9/2 from both sides. So I have 14/2 minus 9/2 equals b. So that's 14 minus 9 is 5/2 equals b. So b equals 5/2. So I could use 2 pieces of information, right? I can use b equals 5/2 and m equals 1/2 to write the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. So it's y equals m, which is 1/2, x plus b, which is 5/2, and there's the equation written in slope-intercept form.